Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn digital crown on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to see the watch face. On the app menu, locate and click on settings. Once you select settings, scroll down the settings page and then select general. Once you select general, scroll down and then choose orientation. Once you selected orientation, then choose see wrist and then the digital crown. Now, to turn the digital crown on your Apple Watch, select left or right. And then you should see your digital crown rotated. Then this is best for your left wrist or right wrist. To turn the digital crown again, select right or left. Here I'm going to select right. Once you selected right, then you can now rotate your Apple Watch. And then there you go. So that's exactly how to turn digital crown on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.